Freeform skier and ski racer Jon Olsson's history with Audi wagons is an account of high points and low points. A couple of years back, he had an Audi RS6 Savant incorporated with a combo-secured DTM racer-style Manster, finished with the carbon fiber wide-body unit, air flicks, a gigantic jaw splitter, and a rooftop-mounted carbon payload box. It was equivalent to mounts of stunning and threatening, and Olsson was legitimately very pleased with the auto. He wound up offering that RS6, notwithstanding, and it was in this manner stolen and consumed to the ground. It bodes well, at that point, that his most up-to-date construct is called Project Phoenix, another RS6 Savant with significantly more power and a totally new look. All things considered, the look isn't totally new. Despite everything, it includes a disguise wrap, a trademark of Olsson's numerous supercar constructs, yet with a curve. One half is white combo, while the other is dark. A red stripe isolates each side. Notwithstanding more red accents and a couple of brand logos, each side has illustrations that blend sparkle and matte bits that play with light to influence the auto to appear to be unique from different review points. The Olsson RS6 likewise makes a big appearance. Another model airwheel from Construct Accomplice ABT. The wheels give more difference as they're rendered in white and dark in advance and red and dark at the back. ABT likewise helped support the auto's execution. The organization, which as of late discharged the Savage RS5R, construct Olsson's ride in light of the RS6 Plus, a constrained-release reinforced variant that begins with Audi's own particular RS6 performance. Task Phoenix has 725 strength and 679 pounds-to-feet of torque. Solid knocks over the RS6 Performance's 597 pull and 516 pounds-to-feet of torque. A custom fumes completed with carbon fiber tips guarantees that the motor's strength is self-evident. The framework was gathered by hand and sounds totally devilish. Look at the 150 or 5 o'clock stamps in the video inserted underneath to hear this thing bark. ABT introduced uncovered carbon fiber outside pieces incorporate the front lip spoiler, reflect tops, bumper vents, front skirt, side ledges, raised diffuser, and low-profile spoiler on the incubate. Each window was given an overwhelming tint, and dim fog light covers finish the look. In Olsson's video, his revived gratefulness for the adaptability of the RS6 is obvious. You have four-wheel drive, you can place everything in the back, 4 seats, he says amid his ride along in the video. No other explanation to have whatever else. I have no clue why I sold the old RS6. He unmistakably has the wagon love, thus do we.